Hello, cutie. What you doing up here? Are you playing with this squeaky toy, Maurie? You playing with your squeaky? Is that good, Bob? You like that one, don't you? You're just chilling up here with your toy? You're such a cutie, Maurie. You're such a cutie. Such a cutie. Oh, look at you. King dog. Captain dog. King of the ship. Yeah? Look at that little wiggly tail. Tuggy wuggy. Look at that tail. Oh, you got a squeaky one too, Scotch? No, buddy. No. What you doing? What you doing? You're just chilling up here, hey? It's a good spot, Moz. You've got shelter from the rain, comfy sand, a squeaky toy, and no one else was up here. That's a good little spot. What are you up to, monkey? What's going on, dog? Oh, Adam has the drone out, dog. Do you want to chase the drone, Moz? Adam has the drone. Come on, Maurie. Come on, Maurie. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Got the drone. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Go down and chase it. You gonna chase it, Moz? Oh, where'd you go? There you go. Good job, guys. Everyone's chasing it. Whoa, nice little skip over here, Minnie. This squeaky toy, Lucy. Listen to ya. Squeak, squeak. Go Romeo, that's it, kiddo. Get him, Minnie. Get him, Minnie. Funny go. Oh boy. Get a Romeo. Get a Romeo. Yes, Skylar. Oh, too quick. Go, Hank. Get it, bud. Good boy. Ain't in the chase. Yummy, yummy. Oh, where'd it go? silly Adam, Sebby. He landed the drone on the shelter and I don't think he can reach it. What a goose. What a silly, silly goose. Silly little goose. He's a goose. Yes, he's a goose. Come on, you chunky. Let's go. Good boy. Hello. Hello.